beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to customize this hairline on this LaTisha unit. A lot of you have been asking how I get this hairline to look so precise and like scalp. So today's I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this very easy process. Here is the packaging. I'm showing you guys the color that I have. A lot of people ask. And here is a 360 of the unit so you guys can see a full close-up of the curls and also the hairline. I'm going to be showing you guys how the hairline transforms, and so you really want to pay attention to that. Here's the unit straight out the package. I have not customized this unit just yet. If you choose, you can wear this unit just like this. I see a lot of people doing that, but I do like to go the extra mile and customize my hairline because it looks a little boxy to me. These are my handy dandy tweezers. I will be linking them in my Amazon shop. Also, I do like to use a white base so that I can see exactly how I'm plucking. And here is the unit so you can see the black knots come up, and it makes it much easier for you to go ahead and customize this unit. First thing that I do when I start to customize is to make sure that all the baby hairs are swept back and that we have a clear indication of where we're plucking so that we can see the transformation of this hairline. Once your baby hairs and flyaways are out the way, we're going to go ahead and start to customize our unit. I do like to start plucking at random, but I want to give you guys a key tip. I do not start at the front of the frontal because I notice a lot of times that starts messing up the hairline. I like to do a gradual hairline. So I do start in the mid section of the frontal, and then I work my way up to the front as I get closer to the end. I do like to make sure that the hair is very flat, and when I'm plucking, it's like a pluck drag motion, and I'm literally just moving across the hairline and making sure that I'm not staying in one spot too long. So as you can see here, I'm just using my tweezer pluck drag motion all the way across, and then I'm going to gradually be able to grab more hair, and you're going to seamlessly see this hairline start to gradually get thinner. During this process, you do not want to rush. It will take a few minutes for you to see some gradual changes. That means you just have to comb through the hairline with the comb and then readjust so that you can start seeing where the hair is starting to lift. I do like to make sure the hair is taut, so that's why you see me making sure it's flat. And I'm also grabbing the hair with my legs, and I'm making sure it's really flat so that there's some type of gravity pulling when I am plucking on the hairline, and I can really see what I'm doing. So I like to do that every so often. I do comb through the hair just to make sure that the hair is coming off and how much is coming off so that I can readjust and then change positions or spots if I want to. Again, I do pluck at random. Sometimes I do concentrate on one section versus the other. I do like to start with the middle, and then I work my way to the sides. So that's why you see me concentrating on the middle area. So when I started plucking, again, I started from the back and I worked my way up to the front. So I went backwards, and then that's how I gradually got the hairline to look like that. This is all the hair that came off the unit, and this is how the unit looks at its final state. It does look very thin. But I do like that because it gives you a lot of versatility when you put the wig on your head, and she looks like scalp. I mean, you can part her anywhere in the front and she's not messed up. I try to stay away from the very middle, so if I do want to do a middle part, I can. I do like how this hairline is very flexible. I also use the wax stick as an agent to help me pluck. I don't necessarily use water or mousse on this particular unit because it is synthetic. Those are all really my tips when it comes to plucking. I really just go by a feeling. Like, you know how people say when they're doing an art project, they just kind of go with the flow, and then they have like these feelings that it's kind of like done. And that's how I feel like with plucking. It's like you kind of know when to stop, and it's not necessarily a time limit or anything like that. I did go ahead and cut the unit because I do like this unit to be shorter because she is so full. I know that she's going to get tangled eventually. So I think this adds more value and flexibility to this unit. And she's very durable. She lasts for a long time. So I'm going to be doing a part 2 to this video. I'm going to be doing a full install on this unit. So if you're interested on that, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe.